almond cherry milkshake. The milkshake is really yummy and I'm sure you will fall in love with it. A few milkshake recipes using dry fruits and nuts, and today I'm going to prepare the combination of a dry nut and fresh fruits. I'm going to use cherry, but you can use any of your favorite fruits such as strawberry, raspberry, blueberry even. So just go ahead and use your favorite fruit with nut. So let's begin. Here I have the fresh cherries. I'm going to use almond, badam, and it is better if you soak them overnight. So here I have soaked almond. I'm going to remove the skin of almond. If desired, you can leave the skin on. But once you soak almond, it's easy to remove the skin. Here I have almond ready. De-seed the cherries. Cut cherries into half and remove the seeds from the middle. Almond and cherry is ready. And one more ingredient I need is milk. You can use dairy or non-dairy milk to prepare this milkshake. Into the blender cup, add almond, cherries, and in the beginning just add a little bit of milk just to help blend it really well because I want nice and smooth mixture first. I'm not adding any sugar, but if desired you can add honey or any other sweetener that you like in it. Ready to blend. As you can see, beautiful color. And now I'm going to add rest of the milk in here. Look at it. Ready to add rest of the milk in it. And blend one more time. Done. And ready to serve. I prefer to serve immediately right after making. And here I have my smoothie ready. I simply love the color, nice pinky color. Today I'm going to share cashew raisin milkshake, Kaju Drax milkshake, dry fruit and nuts milkshakes. These milkshakes are my all-time favorite ever since my childhood actually. And they're so simple and quick and easy to prepare. You can make these milkshakes without any additional sugar even, because of the fact that most dry fruits are sweet, whether you use fig, anjeer or raisins or even dates. Any of these dry fruits will add great amount of sugar, just a natural sugar that you can get from those dried fruits, and I'm sure you will love the taste and texture of these milkshakes. So let's begin. Here I have taken half cup of cashew and a quarter cup of golden raisins. You can use any dairy or non-dairy milk. Into the blender cup, take cashews, raisins, and initially I take a little bit of milk to make paste kind consistency. Blend till nice and smooth. Once you have a nice and thick smooth paste, add rest of the milk and blend again. If desired, sugar can be added, but I make without sugar. The sweetness of golden raisin is good enough for me. Kaju Drax cashew raisin milkshake is ready to serve. Just ready to drink. When I drink these kind of milkshakes, it's like my brunch. I hardly get hungry until like noon or late noon, so it works really well and satisfy your hunger really well. So that way it's good for those who are looking for good food, but at the same time not adding too much calorie, too much sugar, too much artificial flavors and colors and stuff. So perfect. Today I'm going to share badam anjeer milkshake, almond and fig milkshake. So let's begin. To prepare the milkshake, I'm going to use almond and fig, badam, anjeer, and it is better if you soak them overnight. So here I have soaked almond and soaked fig. You can make immediately using dry fruits and nuts, but when you soak, you get the nice smooth texture of milkshake. I'm going to remove the skin of almond. If desired, you can leave the skin on, but once you soak almond, it's easy to remove the skin. Almond ready. And now from the figs, what I do, I just remove this stem. Stem is usually a little hard, so it's good to remove it instead of keeping it. So even if you're using dry, make sure that you remove the stem. Now to prepare this milkshake, all I'm going to use is almond, fig, and any kind of milk, dairy or non-dairy milk you can use. For sweetness, you can use honey, but I just don't add any other sweetness in this milkshake. The sweetness of fig is good enough for me. So into the grinder cup, take almond and fig. Add a little bit of milk in the beginning and grind. Once you have a smooth paste, add rest of the milk in it. So ready to add rest of the milk now. And finish making the shake. Alright. If you don't like thick milkshake, you can always add more liquid. Look at how creamy, yummy milkshake. So here I have my milkshake ready. Now not only dry fruits, but I also love to use fresh fruits such as with almond, cherry goes really well. And the milkshake looks so yummy, nice, beautiful pinky color of the milkshake. So do try out even with the fresh fruits and I'm sure you will love it. So nuts and fruits, the best combination ever. And also for milk, there are so many options. You can use rice milk, coconut milk, almond milk, or if you don't want to use any kind of milk, just for creaminess, you can use bananas and just add water when you blend. So there are several options to choose from. So just try however you like, the way you like, the ingredients you like. So many options to choose from. And my another favorite is walnut and date. The possibilities are actually endless when it comes to making your own milkshake or the smoothies. And I'm just ready to drink. When I drink this kind of milkshakes, it's like my brunch. I hardly get hungry until like noon or late noon, so it works really well and you know, satisfy your hunger really well. So that way it's good for those who are looking for a good food, but at the same time not adding too much calorie, too much sugar, too much artificial flavors and colors and stuff. So perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do visit my website for many other flavor ideas, bhavnaskitchen.com. Not only that, for many other recipes, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And do like and comment below what you think about this milkshakes. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And please do check out my website for new recipes, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. today I'm going to share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do visit my website for many other flavor ideas, bhavnaskitchen.com. Not only that, for many other recipes, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And do like and comment below what you think about this milkshakes. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen.